All right, we've just driven up the mountain. We're up at Wentworth Falls. We've got the Insta360 Lunar Ultra today. I think it's a great vlogging camera. I'm not much of a vlogger, but I do like to do some bushwalks and travel like this. So I think this is the perfect camera to capture this type of adventure. One of the standout features of this Insta360 Lunar Ultra is the removable remote. One of the great things as well is it actually contains a microphone. So you can do your stand-ups, your piece of cameras with great audio, and I can set this camera to deep track, and as I walk, it follows me. So this is perfect for the solo vlogger. I'm shooting in 10-bit iLog, which I'm then using the conversion LUT from Insta360 to grade my images. We've just arrived at the top of the falls here. This is where most tourists come to this point. We're going to keep going right down to get some shots right at the bottom of the waterfall. Right now I'm using the Mic Pro. Now, the great thing about the Mic Pro is it has onboard noise reduction. It's actually quite noisy here. I'm straining my voice a little bit, which I don't need to because this is going to pick me up. It's going to cut out all the background sound. It's going to isolate my voice. It's very effective. Because the Lunar Ultra is so light, it's easy to attach to a pole to get a drone-like effect. I've been down this track a number of times and often carrying heavy production gear. So this time, with a backpack and a Lunar Ultra, it feels like a bit of a treat. As we're getting lower down the cliff face, it's actually getting a lot darker in the bush here, so I've put on pure video mode, which uses the AI chipset to brighten and reduce noise. It just saves you some hassle in post-production. You don't need to be fiddling around with the image. It does it all straight out of camera really well. I swear it used to be a lot further down.
Yeah, same. I thought that too.
Tell us about the conditions today.
It is very foggy, a little bit misty and wet, and very cold.
Pumping the legs.
Pumping the legs, lots of stairs, lots of water on the track.
So what are you expecting when we get down there?
I am expecting a raging waterfall and will be very disappointed if it isn't that. I can hear it now. I know it's raging. It's so loud.
We're arriving down at the falls now. Got to watch the spray here though. I don't want to get any moisture in any electronic parts that shouldn't get wet, but it's been all right so far. A little bit of drizzle, a little bit of mist, and so far the camera's operating just fine. There's the grand reveal. That's where we just walked from.
Oh,
Looks pretty cool.
looks very cool.
So, Kate, we made it to the bottom of the falls. Not a bad view here.
Gorgeous.
Not too many people down here too, which is nice. But we're about 10 metres away from the camera here, sitting on the rock. I'm able to monitor it from the little monitor here, and if I like to, I can zoom in. 1 tap, 2 taps, that takes us into the other lens, and we can reposition and continue our piece to camera. So it's quite handy.
Very.
We've had a pretty good day testing out the Insta360 Lunar Ultra and exploring Wentworth Falls. It's a little bit wet now, and we've got our shots, we've done our tests, and we're going to head back up that hill, pump the legs, and head on home.